In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove usernames from existing track changes in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful feature, especially if you're sharing a document with other people and you want to protect your privacy. Sometimes, when track changes is turned on, Microsoft Word displays the names of the people who edited the file. That can include personal details you may not want visible, especially if you're submitting a document professionally or sending it to clients. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the correct way to remove those usernames and replace them with the generic label Author using a built-in tool inside Word. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and then go to the top left corner and select the File tab. This will take you into what's called the Backstage view, where you can access document settings and privacy options. Once you're there, look for the Check for Issues button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Inspect Document. This will open a tool called the Document Inspector, which is designed to scan your file for hidden information that may include personal data. If you haven't saved your changes before entering this section, Word will display a dialog box asking if you want to save the document first. Go ahead and select Yes, because Word needs the most recent version of your file to properly inspect it. Now, when the Document Inspector dialog box appears, you will see several checkboxes. At this point, you need to deselect everything and only leave one option checked, which is Document Properties and Personal Information. This ensures that Word focuses only on removing identity-related details without affecting other content in your document. After that, select the Inspect button and wait a moment while Word scans the file. Once the inspection results appear, find the Remove All button next to Document Properties and Personal Information and click it. This will remove stored personal information, including the usernames connected to tracked changes. When it finishes, take a quick moment to review the results to confirm the information has been removed. Then click Close to exit the Document Inspector window. To fully finalize the process, you must save the document, close it completely, and then reopen it. This step is important because the changes may not display correctly until the file is refreshed. After reopening the document, check your track changes balloons, and you should now see that all usernames have been replaced with Author. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.